Hey everybody, I'm Mark, and today we are making over an armoire for my guest room that I found on Facebook Marketplace for $50. It's a really terrific piece of furniture, but it definitely needed a makeover. Since this is going in my guest room, I definitely want my guests to feel like they're welcome and in a really good mood when they're staying in this room. So that's my goal for this armoire. Are you ready? Let's make over this armoire. Here it is, and wow, is this sturdy. I've taken off the knobs and I'm putting down some paper to protect the floor. For this, I've chosen a beautiful turquoise blue semi-gloss from Benjamin Moore. Give it 2 coats with a sponge roller, and then go in with a paintbrush for the parts you can't reach. The first thing I'm going to do is add some bright green to add some interest. Just add it to the edges and rub it around with an old cloth. Add some to the drawers too. I'm using several furniture transfers, and a quick Google will give you tons of options according to your taste. You can find some on Amazon, Etsy, and if you don't want to use rub-on transfers, you can always use stencils and decoupage printouts. It's up to you how you get the images on your furniture. It all works, you just have to seal everything with a clear lacquer if you decoupage. Cut your rub-on transfers to size, then peel and burnish them into place. This does take some time, but it's really worth it. The key is layering your elements to give lots of interest. I wanted a little more gold, so I'm taking an old sponge and edging the doors and the drawers. Finally, to fill in the blank spaces, I'm going to stencil some large patterns in a similar color so that they don't overwhelm the other images. This will also give some pattern to the blank spaces. Some more touches of gold, and we're done. Did you know that armoires were originally for storing weapons and armor, and they trace back to the 12th century before built-in closets were common? Make sure to leave me a comment, even if it's just to say hi. I love hearing from you. I'm gonna leave a link to everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I promise to get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Follow me on Instagram at the Mark Montano. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Home Decor. And I'll see you next week. Bye.